we're taking a look at accessing WebDAV storage, which is the location where you can access all your files and documents that you store on the BigCommerce Content Delivery Network, or CDN. BigCommerce offers unlimited file and image storage through WebDAV, and you can easily access WebDAV through CyberDuck or a similar program. WebDAV is the store owners, developers, and designers' way to access contents of your store directly using a FTP-style interface. You can use CyberDuck to get started quickly, and we'll go through setting CyberDuck up and how to get logged into your account. You can add and remove files from your directory using CyberDuck, as well as manage access to WebDAV using the user's portal. Let's take a look at accessing our WebDAV storage. First, we'll need a user that has access to WebDAV. We'll go to Account Settings, Users, and we'll check out our store owner user and see the username and password. The username is going to be the email. The password is given here in the grayed out block, and you can automatically generate a new password for this user. You'll need to enable WebDAV access and make a note of the path if you're not using CyberDuck. We'll take a look at using CyberDuck now to connect to your account. First, we'll have to download CyberDuck. We'll go here. It's a free software and available for Mac and Windows. We'll need to allow it to make changes to our device and run as an administrator. Okay, it's completed successfully. We need to go back to our BigCommerce store, so let me go back and log in. We need to go down to Account Settings, Settings. And we'll see File Access down here, File Access WebDAV. Okay, so we have a store WebDAV path, we have the WebDAV server type, the username, password, and a CyberDuck connection file. Let's go ahead and download the CyberDuck connection file. So next to the installer, I have the CyberDuck connection file, which I'll double click. Okay, it seems that I'm unauthorized. Let's go back and make sure I have the right password. Okay, so once I added my password, I get the contents of WebDAV storage. If you're familiar with FTP or a file transfer protocol, WebDAV is very similar. It allows you to move files of any type inside and outside of file storage. The files that are located on file storage take advantage of the Content Delivery Network, the global edge network that helps deliver files faster to end users around the globe. Let's take a look at our content folder. We don't have anything in there right now. Our email folder only has snippets. Our export and imports have job batches. And we don't have any product download import images yet. And then within our product images are the images that are uploaded through our image manager and used within our site. We'll see that we have our logo, and we can download it by right-clicking. So right-click, and we get a whole bunch of options, including an HTTPS URL. And as we navigate around WebDAV, we can see that there's different places to store files and documents. I usually store content for the site if I'm working with a asset designer or a marketing program or agency. I usually store content under that agency, under the content folder, making it easy to access and easy to find when new files are added. You can also go ahead and upload files by dragging and dropping, and I'm going to drag and drop our logo in there to get started. So you'll see it's uploading to the contents folder, and it's done successfully. If we right-click on it and then open URL, an HTTPS URL, it'll open it in the browser for us. And you can see by the URL bar that it's a logo file under our content folder on our BigCommerce store. And that's all there is to working with WebDAV. So if it's a convenient place to store lots of information, either for attaching to products or sending to customers or storing for image assets for use in the editor or in the templates. In the next and final lesson, we'll take a look at reviewing the API and discuss some of the fundamentals about using it.